Hey, how's it going? Hey, I just want to give you a little update on some products and some improvements that I'm making. And actually, a new product that's coming out here very shortly. First of all, I want to talk to you about the Clamp Assistant. Clamp Assistant is one of our most popular tools. When I made it originally, it looked kind of like it does on this image. It was printed on this printer here, which is it's called an FDM 3D printer, and it's the kind of the old school 3D printer that puts down one layer at a time. It takes this filament right here and kind of melts it. Now most of my printing, just about all of my printing, is done on a new type of technology that actually uses a liquid plastic. The new and improved Clamp Assistants look like this. So now you see that the colors changed, they're now gray, and very strong magnets. This material is super strong. In fact, I've got one of the bodies with no magnets in it, and it didn't turn out exactly right. It's a little bit funky, so I decided to reject it. But I thought I'd go ahead and break it for you so you can see how strong it is. So I haven't done this before, on camera, so let me see. This is really strong. I don't know if I'm going to be able to break it barehanded. I don't think I can. So I do have some vice grips here somewhere. So yeah, here I've got some vice grips and some pliers. So let me go ahead and use some tools for this. And don't try this at home. I'm a trained professional. Make sure you're wearing safety glasses if you do. I got some pliers here, so let's see what happens. Yeah, so it will break. And it broke right at, you can see it broke right at the hole, naturally, because that's the weak spot. So I suppose if there was a magnet epoxied into that hole, it may not have broken there. It may have broken adjacent to that. It's always fun to break stuff, right? So that's the Clamp Assistant, used in installing fixed panels and frameless shower enclosures. My newest product is similar. This is something that people have been asking for, and I call this the Hinge Assistant. It's like the big brother to the Clamp Assistant. The Hinge Assistant is made to fit a Vienna style hinge. And I made a little video to show you how this works and the benefit of it. So check it out. Watch this video. Assistant is going to be available at the store shortly here. It's going to come in at just under $40. It's a little bit bigger, has more magnets, you know, it costs a little bit more to make, of course. The Clamp Assistant is still the same price as it was before, even though it's new and improved. This resin 3D printed body is actually a little bit more expensive for me to manufacture, but I like the idea of just making an improvement on the product. And these are the ones that are going out right now. So you can purchase this Clamp Assistant at the glassgadget.com store, and be watching for the Hinge Assistant. This is really helpful, especially when you're working with hinges out on the job site and you're alone. This will really help you out. So thanks for taking the time to watch. Glassgadget.com, glassgadget.com, glassgadget.com. And thanks for your support.